Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the country on your Google account. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks just like this one. So, the first thing you need to do is open up the Google application on your Android or iOS phone. Just a quick reminder, this is not the Google Chrome browser, but the Google app itself. It looks like this. Next, make sure you're already logged in with the Gmail account where you want to change the country settings. If you're not logged in yet, just sign in with your Gmail account first. Now, let's move on. At the top right corner of the app, you'll see the profile options. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in the profile options, tap on settings. Now, within the settings, look for other settings. And click on it. Here you find language and region option. Tap on that. Here's the part where you change your region. Tap on search region, and you'll see a list of all the countries you can choose from. Let's say I want to change my country to Belgium. I just scroll down, tap on Belgium, and that's it, my region is now set to Belgium. And that's it for this video, guys. If you found it useful, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.